Hi, let's look into the remaining speaking tips. The fifth one is to avoid using fillers. Speak confidently and try to avoid using fillers like etc. Because in general, we use fillers when we are not so sure about something when we want to say. And this will lead the examiner to think that we are not able to access the appropriate word. The sixth one is pursue to think. It's always good to have a brief break to think before we say. And you can use phrases like, that's an interesting question, that's a good question, in order to buy some time. The last but not the least is extend your answers. The ultimate aim of IELTS speaking test is to test your English vocabulary skills. So it's always better to explain your answers rather than answering in a word or two. To know more such informative content, follow English Partner IELTS page.